the other day masiphumalana kulomuntu obiza ngesibongo.
Mhlambe kunomunye ugeyila abamfunayo bona bamphothele emakhanda abo o kunomunye ugeyila abafuna ukuthi abe nguye. Omhlambe nami ngenza kakhulu. Mina I will never be single. Ngikubutha hleze ready kubuva oil. No, noma bebanenge unganani I think ba right bathole le information. Polygamy I don't have a problem with it at all.
But yabufuna uba ngoqala noma ungazibuye esenta noma ekugcineni awulanda.
Noma ngaba ngo number 15. Yes, wangishaya wangilimaza lokhana ukuthi I had to run to ama security.
Afuni podcast yabantu.
Salbonani, welcome once again with podcast yabantu, podcast ebukelwa nge-Starlink. We see a lot of people ngasikhangile laphana kuma analytics ama trends. Yasibonisa abantu kobulawayo watching us. Thank you so much for seeing support. Gijima uye ku comment section like we always do. It should be a norm. You say, you tell us where you're watching from, you tell us what you like about the episode, you also tell us what you don't like. Namhlanje back by popular demand, Gail. So what?
But good morning.
Namhlanje wawungathibuyela amahloni.
No, anginamahloni.
Ngikufakele kephu,
uyazivala. Inwele zami namhlanje ziyabheda azikhipheki, azikho that.
Hey, abantu bayakhala. People were crying, people were batibona hayi siyezwa. And I love the fact that men were saying bayafunda.
Okay.
We had people reaching out and saying it really touched us.
Wow.
But we also saw people bengathi bafuna ukuphuma endleleni ngathi sebesilwa.
Sikujwayele lokho.
Into zethu.
Lokho sikujwayele vela kusethusi.
So you're not used to this fame thing.
Okay.
But you've always said this to me. Awuyithandi.
Yeah, I am.
Why?
Into yefame mina ngazi nokuthi ngangena njani kuyo since kungasaphumeki. Kodwa ke.
Yeah.
It's not that bad ngendlela ngiyabe ngichaza ngayo ukuthi ibad. Okunye mhlambe kuyukuthi ngiyabe ngiphanikile here and there.
Maybe at that particular time.
Ngaleso sikhathi you understand ngiyabe ngiphanikile ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi you know if angazakali if kube ngomunye umuntu kuba akukho to this extent but ayikho that bad man.
Nasty C once said ukuthi sometimes he wants to be normal again. Then he did like a series of videos where sebenza car wash, where sebenza spa, he even made a video of it.
I saw it, yeah.
So he was saying I want to go to church. Ngilami yesonta. So sometimes then the other day masiphumalana kulomuntu obiza ngesibongo.
Very ngizibuza ukuthi so kushila ngihamba khona vele wonke umuntu ebengibona that scale noko. Okay.
Even
bengasho noma ngisesontweni ngiyathi ngise-church yazi ngifocusile yazi isonto lami vele li-too spiritual ngifocusile ngisesontweni mangifika endlini kune-message ku-Facebook mzalwane ngibone esontweni
But I will be overwhelmed sometimes.
Kuyangikhathalisa mina vele kuyangifrustrate sometimes ngiyangizifise nokuthi ukuthi nje ngazitshela ukuthi nginesibindi mina kube vele nako Facebook angisekho okube kudala nga deactivate i-account ukuthi hayi lama ngithi ngikweke lokho but ngine kuzitshela ukuthi hayi phela remember I'm the one who built this girl. Lo girl wayakhiwa yimi and lo girl uzodilizwa yimi so lokho is either ngiyakubheka or ngiyabe ngilokho ngisenza igwala kodwa akukho that bad man.
So you just find ways.
Ngimele ngithola indlela yokuthi ngidila njani nakho.
Has fame changed you personally and emotionally? Fame, like indlela also saziwa ngakhona, do you feel like it has changed you emotionally or personally?
No.
Like lokhu safana.
Mina lokho ngisafana ngiyulo yamuntu othi mayeqhamuka le ungavela uthi loya ngugale I'll give you a smile, I'll hug you, ngizohleka nawe sizoxoxa kube normal nje. No, I ain't changing at all.
But I feel like people online misunderstand you.
They do.
Why? Because why in there?
mhlambe kunomunye ugay abamfunayo bona bamphothele emakhanda abo o kunomunye ugay abafuna ukuthi abe nguye o mhlambe nami ngenza kakhulu o ngenza kancane yeah
there's a possibility to yenza kancane ukuthi mangayenza kakhulu
exactly
you might even grow your following.
Yes maybe pace yami inkulu or incane, you understand.
I do feel like uligwala sometimes.
Naturally I'm a coward.
When with the things that you do, you've done, you've said, and things that you get accused of.
Yeah.
When you can do more and grow even bigger than this.
Yeah.
I've seen that.
Yeah.
Manje ugwala ngobani?
Ibugwala bokuba last born. Asobugwala emdedesa.
Oh yeah. Emdedesa very attentive.
Asobugwala emdedesa.
Yapona phela lezi khala zebisuke.
Uyazi ukuthi mangiphalika umuntu engimcabangayo kuphela efonini nguwe ukuthi laso kuchi.
Ngithi hey phuma la.
Bekufoni phansi.
Bekufoni phansi. Yo.
Yeah, but
and now how do you separate now this life here online and wedwa usendlini, you going through all the anxiety, the panic, the happiness? Are you able to separate that?
Ngisase ugayili ongumna wakhe wabantu abawu10. Ngisase ugayili who's having a partner. Ngisase ugayili onabantwana. So i-anxiety or whatever engikunika kuzo ku social media akumelanga umuntu wami ku experience, akumelanga ngize ngibukele ngololitha ukuthi now I'm breaking, akumelanga ngize ngicine depressed usisi wami ayezegcina sithi phela mina isime ngakufaka entweni le. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's either lama online trolls ngimele ngidile now or I just have to ignore it.
Don't take them and hotspot your family, your partner, or your personal
my friends
life.
or angifuni ukuthi kube njalo, but sometimes ngikuthola ngihlukumeza ukuthi ngize ngifise nokuthi ngathi ngingaphuma. Yeah, so ngihlukumeza ukuthi ngathi ngingaphuma manje phela but la sesikhona kufana lokuthi ngisenzikini yomfundo.
Everybody, I think like content creators or people like online public figures do feel like that. You said we last born and abadala kulaba ngu11 like lungu 12 ngini.
Singu 10, ngiwu number 10.
When number
10.
Wow, number 8, that's too short.
Yeah.
Wow, abadala yazi babeqinile.
Abadala bebengavilaphi shame. Abadala bebengavilaphi.
Tina 1 2 and also isimo sasivuma.
Yes. Nemkhuhlane bingakabi mningi man. Ukuthi mayele kudura izibhedlela nani labantwana manje somele sikhulisa abantwana aba sikwazi ukuthi bafunde izikole ezingcono, umntwana uyam expose entweni thina esifunda ama computers esikhulile, understand ukuthi mayese kumele ngifunde laptop sengizifundisa mina, uyabona. So akusafani nakudala, angeke mina ngikwazi ukufika kubantwana abangu5 vele ngangihlula. Yeah.
You also said I heard you mention my partner.
Yeah.
Does it mean ukhona ubabazi?
Yes.
Phela mina sawubona labana conta okay lusingi.
No.
Suppose
Mina I will never be single. Yikubuta hleze ready kububa oil.
Phela izani move after 30 minutes.
Vele nje
wakwethu kungiyala nxa kulaba abade lokulandelela. Hello.
Mina vele ngingaze ngifuna ukuyila ngoba ninimalanga.
You think so?
Angikhubekanga ngaba lesika esifuna ukunesa engikwaziyo ukuthi whoever is in my past ubhile ngolapho.
Talking about your past, you have had a past that yabaku public domain.
Yeah.
And I want to tell you something before ngikubuza imibuzo.
Okay.
Uyamona cameraman? He knew you njengomuntu owahamba wangena emzini wabantu like what we cite. That's what he knew based on information online. Nxa wayefunda.
Okay.
Kazange wayengakwazi ukuthi when you got married.
I got married and I was the third wife.
ina nawe ninataka information wrong.
Yes, you were carrying the wrong information.
So now the reason why I brought this up is how many more people online abaphethe information nale. Do you wish to clarify?
No babanenge unganani, I think ba right bathole le information.
Yena le abaphethe
you right, I'm thinking that.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem with it.
Yeah.
I was a side I was the first one. I was whatever information
that uqhakathekile ukuthi wena you know.
Uqhakathekile ukuthi mina istory sami ngiyasazende ngizoma kizo.
That's it. Now, you mentioned something on that previous video, like you mentioned ukuthi indlela wangena ngayo kwakuyisifiso sokuthi uthola into enhle but wagcina usungene kwagcina wakubiza wathi kuba igreed into yakho kusuka ngathi kuba ngumona.
Yeah.
How did you get into that arrangement?
At first the proposal was good.
Yeah.
Indlela eyayibekwe ngayo kimi.
Yeah.
It was very very good because mina personally I don't have a problem with polygamy.
Yeah.
Even now umnyaka umuntu amaye nga decide ukuthi uyaletha umamncane, I'm fine with it.
You've always been okay with it even before.
Even before I don't have a problem with the polygamy. I don't have a problem with it at all.
But yabufuna kuba ngoqala noma ungazibuye esenta noma ekugcineni awulani.
Noma ngaba ngo number 15.
Serious?
Yes.
Awu usukuthi awulazikhwele phela wena.
I think kule point kule part esimisayo ngepolygamy. It's either nginesikhwele or nginasikhwele isithembo ngesendoda.
Aso sami. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's either ngiyafuna ukuthi omunye umfazi abe khona ongabi khona. Uzoba khona because ufuna indoda yakhe. Afuna yini?
Also, now I get it. So if you didn't have a problem vele ngakho before, so akuzange kube nzima vele to
even. It was not even difficult, Shem. It was not even difficult. The problem started when we are now inside.
What happened?
I have to meet my sister wives. No one is approving me. Awula muntu one idea ukuthi ngiya exist.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have agreed to something that abaphakathi
abanikazi bento abangayivumanga.
How do you find out?
I found out in so kumele ngiyongena phakathi komuzi because mina ngitshelwe kwathiwa unumber 2 siyomthola khona nguyozokwamukela. Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
Unumber 2 somthola khona nguyozokwamukela. So sesiphakathi manje la. Number 2 akekho. Sengena mina kunabazali and all that.
Yeah.
I felt like I'm being betrayed and ukubetray abanye abantu. Mina amnayo sengiyiweapon mina esetshenziswa ukuhlukumeza abanye abantu.
But looking back now, do you regret ignoring the red flags?
Yes. I do regret nakhona vele giving him a chance ukuthi ayivele ekhaya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngiyasola kakhulu lokho ukuthi personally I don't have a problem with him, but I also have a problem with myself.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngafika kanjani ekuvumeni into enjalo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you get out?
Hey! Yeah, it's a long story. That's a long story, man.
Yeah.
Bekungasekho mnandi.
Yeah.
Ngiumuntu onolaka mina.
I know.
Yeah, mina ngiumuntu onolaka wadaleka waba nolaka to an extent that ma kungaba ngathi kune misunderstanding ngifuna silwe manje.
Akulindwa kusasa
ngiuphuma silwe vele.
Yeah.
So uphuma silwe akasebenze endodeni yesithembu.
Uphuma silwe ufuna nxa uwedwa.
Ufuna ama uwedwa.
Aha, ngoba ufuna ugcina zilisilwa labanye phela. So you didn't want to.
And his word is final.
Oh yeah.
I can't say lokhu ku wrong. Uthi ku wrong njani ngoba vele ngithole nginabafazi abawu2.
Yeah. Yeah.
We understand
Yeah,
ukuthi it's
yeah.
not something that I can live with ukuthi mina I can't voice it.
Now also you can't go in there uthola abantu bephila and
Uthole
then you
abantu
wanna change
bephila then
things.
when I want to change things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I admire your bravery, I think, also in your honesty and how you've always maintained ukuthi wena awulwi namuntu. When people try and drag you and other people, awuvumi.
They just have to know ukuthi whatever esakuba ngayo ku between mina naye.
Akusikho kwabantu.
Akusikho kwabantu.
Abangeni indawo.
And with the respect that he gave me ukuthi wahamba wayovela ekhaya abadala babamazi.
That's enough.
He deserved to be respected for that alone.
That's it. So people shouldn't even want to know kwenzakalani kwangayenzakali abangeni indawo.
It's none of their
because they were
business.
never there in the beginning.
Because kwasekuqala sibabikela ngapha masiyiqala lento leyo. Babona ngakho sokusenzakala.
That for me, I gotta give it to you because many women sebathola sebefuna ukudrag umuntu, sebefuna ukungcolisa igama lomuntu and all that and why did you choose peace?
I chose peace. I still choose peace even today because even if I can drag him, there's nothing that I'll benefit.
That's it.
I will still even noma ngaze ngibe toxic njani ngitshone ngiphambi kwamakhamera kanje ngitshela abantu ukuthi ngelanga eliso kwabaso ekugcineni kosuku kuba miserable mina.
Yeah. You that energy.
Yes, remember I have a partner. Someone who's in my life like it's been a year and some months.
Yeah.
We are scroll on social media uthola each and every time I'm talking about my ex, what is that?
Yeah.
I have the father of my kids.
Yeah.
Every time uthola ngi-obsessed ngokuthi kunento esoyake yenzakala. Usiyazibuza ukuthi but mina nawe sazala ukazube nje.
Why now? So people should understand and move on.
Yeah. We just have to accept and move on.
Yeah.
Izinto ziyenzeka. Like let's just move on, guys. Let's move on.
There's something about you from knowing you back in 2022.
Yeah.
Indlela okwazi ukuthi usuke entweni noma endaweni into engasasebenzi.
Yeah.
What would you say inspires that? Because I've seen, I want to talk about also the other past.
Yeah.
So figure good. What inspires, ekunikeza isibindi sokuthi usuke?
Ukuthi mina ngazitshela into eyodwa ukuthi as long as into ingasasebenzeli mina anginaso isizathu sokuyenza isebenze. Phela remember I'm the one who started this thing. Ayisangisebenzeli mina.
Yep.
And isingenza ngigcine ngitshintsha ngisiba ngulomuntu mina engathandi kuba nguye.
You're becoming a monster.
Sengisiba imonster sokumele ngilale ngikuvusa ngo2 ebusuku ukuthi sengichayiwe.
Yeah.
We understand ukuthi no one ofuna ukuphila impilo enjalo.
Yeah.
So how about ngiphume kuyo?
So in there's another relationship where you actually waungvusa like you just said.
Yeah.
And probably abuse.
A lot of abuse.
And take us through that journey, what you went through, how you even got into it.
I'm walking in the mall. I'm just meeting a Zwana guy. He's asking for a number.
Yeah.
We're exchanging numbers. Siyaxoxa.
Yeah.
Kube mnandi. We started going on dates. He's a good guy. Working, owning cabs, owning restaurants, owning guest houses. He's just a guy, all right. Now in Jombona, yeah, I understand. Now okay, fine.
A hardworking man. Yeah.
Okay. Sesizama lento yokuthandana.
Yeah.
The guy is very clingy.
Lwana ukuthi akumela ngisuke eceleni kwakhe.
Usuke eceleni kwakhe mayise toilet or mayise emsebenzini.
And there are people like that.
Usuke eceleni kwakhe bayisiya etoilet or mayise emsebenzini.
Girl, inkinga yini lani libahle kakhulu.
Not laphana but mina I don't think it was about ubuhle. hayi ube nenkinga nje yena yakho inkinga yakhe
ngoba I'm sure ukwenza la komuntu
yeah understand because I don't remember kuthiwa kuleli ilanga la ngibamba khona ukuthi la kunomjolo or anything
but that also awuzange like uyasuffocate phela in a relationship mangabe umuntu esesenza njalo.
You can't even breathe, you can't uyachuzelwa abangane mase kumele ngibuye kuwe if I have to talk to you kumele ngenze sure ukuthi uyeza ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe akusela privacy
awuntshelanga izinto zonke unjela today
uyakwazi ukuthi I'm very secretive mina kunezinto engizithulayo ngizitshela ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi umuntu abekwazi nam sometimes ngisuka ngisethi mana protect umuntu wami mana protect umuntu wami
true so at that time so when you would make calls and what not kwakumele abekwazi
ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe but at the same time umuntu wakhona unothando taking care of you and everything to understand that mawusuka endlini kumele ukukhaphe kuchief letini ubhuti ombehlala la iflat neighbor uzabe kuphele Hennessy ukuthi ufike unikeze ubhuti umtshela ukuthi ngiyabulisa and all that we understand ukuthi uyaxhaphazeka ngapha kodwa at the same time kunale treatment oyinikezwa ayethanda wonke umfazi which is ukunakekela.
It's called overcompensating. They know that a woman was created to receive anything. You receive love, you receive gifts, you receive things. When you receive something, there's something like inside of you get happy. I don't know what they call it, there's a name for it. And what you guys receive, you multiply it. If I give you love, there's going to be love, Ekhaya. If I respect you, there's going to be respect, Ekhaya. It is to start from me to you. If I give you sperm, you're going to give us kids. If I bring groceries, you're going to give us a meal. If I give you a house, you give us a home. So they know the overcompensators what you guys need. They give you what you need, but then the other side they're taking your peace. So when do you realize no man?
I think the day ngithi I cannot do this anymore kwakulilanga we had an event la eZoo where I have to meet you. So mina ngizitela ukuthi I will request or drive uzongithatha all the way from Hartbees azongibeka la eZoo Lake. Umuntu wahlothi ngihamba nawe. Masifika lana into yangicasula uyazi yagcina uleader to ukuthi sibe. Uthi yena you know why do Zimbabweans love eZoo Lake like this? And they say and ile story and then you know me I'm too talkative yakazi ke ngiyakhuluma kakhulu angimfuni umuntu umuntu othi umuntu maye ngathi 1 ngithi 20 so ukuxabana kwethu kwavela waqala khona ngathi yabo manje uyangidelela ngathi ngize ebantwini here to drive back wabuyela ngase ngizibuyelela mina ngazirequestela ngazibuyela mina mangifika endlini sokudlula lanti ngispende the whole day nabantu abathanda uku-ride so ngifika endlini ngithi mangifika endlini ngizama ukuzigwadisa kanti yena vele uzwe abantu bengiscreamela ngehle emoteni
because people were happy to see you. Remember, people only knew you from Sakane, just on Facebook.
So uzwe abantu bengiscreamela so vele mawusufika lapha amadoda akho nacima.
No game.
I'm telling you, spaghetti lihlweni. What?
Wenzeni?
Ngenzeni? Ngiyangidelela.
Whoa.
Ngiyakudelela, ngenzeni bra? Mangifika lapha abantu bakho bakuphatha ngathi wena umuntu ongathi ungcono mawuyehla lapha emotweni awusanginikeza nehagi ungenza yazi alandisa izinto ezingela sense zonke ngabe sithi
wena kodwa ungamnikezelanga ihagi
ihagi yokwenza lele delela masibakwenzi
naselifakweni very red
bese sibangela le ukuthi uthi sithanda iZoo
also vele lapha nabaso
vele kwase kumvele sekune tension encane na tension encane yokuthi why would you say that kwakungicasuka
but you see vele a relationship okungathi ukucompete ayisebenzi ukuthi yena le into oyisho ukuthi 1 so manje wait what does he say uyambuza ukuthi unjayelani and uthi
ngiyadelela.
Now I'm sure there's other incidences as well that at some point I remember you called you said nah I'm done what had happened?
I'm done. Remember mina nginabantwana abawu2 like abantwana bami ba right man, mina I would love to say mina I'm proud of abafana ngazana nawo. Yeah, I'm proud of them. They are not rich. They are not famous.
Yeah.
They are not all that, but bangobabe abantwaneni babo.
Gents, siyabonga kukalutshwane phela thina uyazi amajida siyabhayiza phandle la amajida looking after our kids.
Yeah.
Asameni man.
So abantwana bami bahlawuliwe ba right and all that. Abantwana abasebenzisa izibongo zabo.
Yeah.
So ubaby mama Cam uzochiya umntwana ole 5 years no le 2 years. Remember we are staying in a complex.
Yeah.
Ufona usegethini. Uthi ngishiya abantwana egethini. Abe sithi yena ngamqambe igama sesibani. Uthi sechiya abantwana egethini.
Yeah.
Uthi no it's fine abavuye. Into engicasulayo kuyo yonke lento leyo ukuthi kudala bevumelana ukuthi letha abantwana wena uyakonje act ezifu zobadamba.
Wow.
Emqondo nami kufika ukuthi bayangidelela uyabona. Anginankinga mina nokuthi umntana ukuba bakhe nabami bakuba baba remember. I don't have a problem with umntana ukuba usendlini kababakhe.
Yeah.
But engafuniwe ukuthi libe selisithi ungawari nginosisi la endlini ozabanakekela. Yami house yaphuca ukuthi ungawuzigela noma umbeki.
Wow. So this was not discussed with you?
Not even.
So what makes you not wanna, are you saying awufuna ukunakekela labantwana or it is because of how this is done?
Indlela izinto ezenziwa ngakhona yizo engenza ngibona ngathi kushuthi bathe leli korekore leli lezo nakekela abantwana ongawari vele udla kwami mina umuntu exaggerate umuntu chichito nje ayibone ngendlela yakho ukuthi abana abangazindelelwa phela
You making up your own assumptions.
ukuthi laba sendeleli lapho kana yadelelwa phela la
Yeah, ndelekile
favele kuhle kuvuka ubujane bonke. Yeah.
When now you so wenza ama assumptions.
Senginama assumptions vele ukuthi mhlambe nokuthandana basathandana.
That's the case.
Yes.
Awula baby mama mpungu hlale thutsha nje.
Angeke baby mama mpungu uqhamuka kubona unomuntu ohlala naye endlini akwenza sense ukuthi baby mama mpungu uqhamuka. You cannot take a decision uhlala nami edinga mina.
But where your kids are, how do you do it now siyababona?
If I can tell you a secret, mina akula baba umntana mengine number yakhe.
How do you, so like who do you communicate with?
Umntana nami unogogo.
Okay.
Unabo auntie.
Yeah.
Baba ke is happily married. Ngikhuluma ngalomncane.
Yeah.
Baba ke is happily married. Okokuthi I respect their marriage.
Yeah.
I have to talk to the great man ngicela ungicelela umntwana ngale ngizofika endlini ngizombona.
That's it.
Ngiphethe impahla la ngicela ukudlula ngizichiye.
So udila logogo
logogo nabo auntie.
So this is why when you see someone coming in like that you feel like why kumele azibuyele yena?
Why kumele azibuyele nakhona azodomba abantu bakhe egethini. Ashiya abantwana kuba security khona mama wenza into enjalo. Uya understand ukuthi mina emqondweni wami ngithi vela kulapha zongayenza into enjalo into abayiplanile bathi asiyenze.
Wena vele you know this lady before ungena into the relationship.
Yes.
Wayengasonkinga.
Ngatshelwa ngaye I think uqalise ukuba le drama esebona ukuthi umjida nawo vele usemove on.
Is it a woman thing vele ukuthi umuntu ayehluleke to let go?
It's not a woman thing because mina ngikwenza.
Aha.
Yeah.
Wona ungaphuma uphumile.
Mina vele I don't belong in past. Mina vele that toxicity ukuthi basendlukalela ukuthi ngiyafuna back uyabe boost ego yakhe. Angikufuni back. I've moved on.
What's done is done.
Okwenzakele mina I've moved on.
So you continue from there. You were saying ukuthi that's when you said that's it, that incident leading up to
yes wasagcina siba physically that time wangishaya wangilimaza mana still have the pictures angizisuka
yeah I think you sent me
yes wangishaya wangilimaza lokhana ukuthi I had to run to ama security
yeah
mangigijima nsiya ama security ngafika ngacatsha kwafonela ama police manje wazi ba police South Africa ngeGBV
yeah
abadlali
10 minutes babefikile
bamthatha sebemthethe abantwana babodwa ubaby mama is nowhere to be found.
Wena sokumele usalukhangela abantwana.
No, mina sengincengwa vele ukuthi kangi drop case.
Yeah.
Nzophiwa noma imalini. Do you remember I told you that ukuthi kuthiwa ngizophiwa imali? Kuthiwa ngizophiwa imali ifamily yakhe and drop case.
I remember I was even scared ukuthi unga drop case ngeke usasuka.
Yeah. Ngathi angi drop case. Ilike yami nansi. Udetective onguyo phethe case yami. Wathi wathi never ngeke uchawusise omuhle kanje.
So pretty privilege.
Udetective wathi akukwazi.
Yeah.
Lo muntu limchaphaza ngoba une passport.
Oh.
If it was
taking advantage.
Yeah, we are taking advantage because she's a Zimbabwean. If bekungumuntu wase South Africa belisazi ukuthi this is a serious case. Phela umuntu ulimele udokotela nango uyachuthi ulimele.
Yeah. So do you drop the charges?
Detective wathi kimi banga lo muntu unemali ngithi uyambona.
Yeah.
Angafuna imali ya serious. So take the money uzokhathwa yimi uhamba. Bese uya release.
Wow.
And he did that guy.
Wow, that's a man and a half.
Kanti vele detective nomjida bayala izinto zabo ze-strategy bahlezi begijimisana anti
umuntu ama-business, umuntu ama-class.
Uhlezi vele emfuni.
So umtholela kona kumfit. So it helped you.
It helped me kakhulu. Uyadelela lo siyamazi.
Maybe you were going to be kube usaselapho if that detective wasn't there.
Yeah, for sure kube lapho ngisaselapho.
Because remember one of the things that you kept on saying every time we spoke, you had also that thing ukuthi ngizoyapi.
Yeah.
Because like where you were, we also good there.
Yeah. Uqala phansi.
Yeah.
Mina I think wanginikeza isibindi.
Yeah.
You always give me isibindi sokuthi kanti mawusubuza ukuthi uzoyapi vele ubukuphi kwasekuqaleni.
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember that talk from the beginning ukuthi City. So like, are you telling me vele awula plan? I remember, and when you eventually said you have left, I was like, yeah, because the pictures you had sent, they looked really bad. I'm like, no. Usually when I talk to people, I don't tell them what to do.
Yeah.
You give them advice, but I think there are two people in my life that I have said that to them. You know, I don't want to mention the name of a friend that I said, listen, I'm not going to give you any advice anymore because I feel like now, sometimes I feel like we use people when we keep going back to them about a problem that we don't want to move away from.
Yeah.
So I remember saying, you need to leave.
Yeah.
Because you want to die.
Yeah.
You know. And we are couple detective, we happy.
Uyangikapho udetective uzongishiya Pitori. Yes, mangishiya Pitori, I called my cousin uhlala eThembisa. Kazi sekune situation eso.
Yeah.
What is wona silima kubuye endlini.
Yes.
Mina osisi bami na cousin bami asobantu aba soft, but ngabantu abaloving asobantu aba soft. Kunzima ukuthi umuntu wakhona umtshele something
ukuthi
tough love leyani ukuthi it's very hard man, but I love them because one of my big sisters is taking care of umntana wami lomkhulu. Is staying with my sister. She's well taken care of. All right, she's beautiful, attending a beautiful school and all that.
Yeah.
But when it comes to me, they are very tough lokana ukuthi umuntu wakhona mawumqonda, especially mawumqonda ngezinto zomjolo uyabona.
Okunye bakwazi uyadedesa.
Yes, ba vele nje babe sazi ukuthi uyadedesa lo sokube sithiwe kwethu sinake yena uyabona. Yeah. So cousin wami said come. Then life started from there. Yeah.
And now you are this girl that we all know.
Yeah, I'm this girl, man.
We famous online.
Ish. Am I famous here?
You are. What do you mean?
Hlezi ngiluyiswa ngalento ye social media ukuthi ngoba uzibona uposta every day uzitshela ukuthi famous. So I think people they don't understand what famous means. But I think in grade 3 ngatshela what famous means well known.
Yeah. You are well known.
But bayakuyala phela khona cousin.
You are well known because I will tell you why we would call you famous girl is because before abantu bebesiba famous because they do something in public They work on radio.
Okay.
They're on TV. They're playing soccer. Like we see them somewhere. They're a politician.
Yeah.
But right now, without doing these things in Kulumangazo and being known by how many followers do you have?
47,000.
47,000.
Yeah.
From those 47,000, someone followed because they loved what they were doing. Some of them hate what you are doing and they follow you. 47,000.
Yeah.
If you put them in a stadium,
Yeah.
then you have those that don't follow you, but every day they check your page.
Okay.
You're well known.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Uma ungaphumalana kulo muntu ozokubingelela ethi you're well known.
Yeah.
We can't really measure,
Yeah.
but you're well known. We have to accept it.
Yeah.
Also so that we also behave that way. So
Yeah.
famous.
Okay.
And usazoba famous.
Yes.
Okudlula la.
Yeah, ne. Fame.
But now you've come from all this past elobuhlungu lapha
Yeah.
and now you're online.
Yeah.
Kunama trolls.
Yeah.
When do you get time to heal from the past?
The healing party manje.
Yeah. I know you're big on healing.
Ukuthi ngathanda nje kuba umuntu lona othanda ukuziqinisa even if into ngibona ukuthi lay is about to break me.
Yeah.
Lay izongihlukumeza. I've trended of bad things ngibona lana ukuthi the intention is for people to see me dead but engazitshela khona ukuthi mina I was born and raised by a soldier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And talking about trending.
Yeah.
Was that AI?
No comment.
No comment.
No comment because if I can start commenting to join.
Yeah.
I can't have a private conversation with you and when I plan to bring it on public.
Yeah. But nakhona vele like what ithini ingqondo yakho if you're going to take private conversations, private things into public.
Yeah.
What's your aim? Injani inhliziyo yakho?
Injani inhliziyo yakho? Ufuna achieve or ufuna ukumprovela in?
Yeah, man, it's easy, but sometimes I ask myself, so what? Then what?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I respect that and I understand, and I really I admire also the strength you have. You stand up for yourself, and how you have always tried to maintain your side. You've always stood out for what you believe in, even when it's wrong. Sometimes you've said, sometimes I see some of the mistakes that I've made. But maybe later on change. What have you learned from all these? We are trendies, we are techies. What are you learning?
Into yokuqala engayifundayo ukuthi shuthi kwakumele ngikwazi ukuhlukanisa between abantu engibaziyo nabangani. Yeah, I just have to know ukuthi lo ngiyamazi lo ngumngani wami.
Okay.
And they keep my circle as small as it is
as possible.
Yeah. Isircle yami abantu abangaziyo to a personal level babe bancane. Like now esayidini lami I think I've only 3 women that I can say bango-3 nje abantu that I can say I talk to ubani ngiyakwazi ukumfonela ngimtshela ukuthi senginenkinga so ubani ngiyakwazi ukumtshela ngithi but that thing yokuthi I was that person welcome noma ngibani othi umuntu mayeclose kimi umuntu masihleka umuntu engimjwayeleyo that I think ngifunde khona lokhuyana ukuthi angimele ngikwazi ukuhlukanisa.
Yeah.
Ngaphinda ngafunda ukuthi futhi akuyena wonke umuntu ohleka nami ongithandayo. Ngaphinda ngafunda futhi ukuthi akumelanga ngiignore ukuthi ngizizwa njani nga something.
Yeah, that first instinct.
Yeah.
Yona lana ehlukutshela ukuthi umuntu lo akho right.
This is wrong. Yeah.
Believe it.
Yeah.
Run with it.
Yeah.
Because many times when we have been betrayed, you remember the feeling you had.
Yeah.
I knew it, man.
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew this was
something's off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now, how do you then now choose the people you keep? Because I see sometimes online, bakhona abanye who I'll see them on your side today. Tomorrow ngalo babone be busy, maybe where you're being attacked. Like how do you categorize these people?
Umuntu butshwe wadalwa uNkulunkulu. Uyilento ayiyo.
Yeah.
Akasoza atshintshwe yimi. Noma ngafuna ukuthi atshintshe njani.
Yeah.
As far as nami ngiliphiciphici nawo bangamaphiqiphiqi. Sengafunda nje ukuthi let me just be loyal to myself.
First.
Yeah. Ukuthi ngibe loyal kimi because kuyafana labantu ngebe ngisithi ngiloyal kibo yebo futhi abaphinda bangijikelo yabona nje bebe sebese side ndabantu abangizondayo. But mina ngiphinde ngithi man akulabantu abangizondayo man ngeke ungizonda ubhizi ngami.
Ave.
Because mina ngiyazazi ukuthi mangimzonda nginandaba naye.
Uphuma kuwe. I think I said this earlier ukuthi umzondayo. Phuma kuwe. But ungabona
ngimzonda uthoba ngimfundi vele mphuma kuye. Ungabona nje senginendaba naye there's something about you nje. Maybe engingafuni ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo kodwa ikhona into esihlanganisayo.
But also let's go back and expand on what you said when you sat down with Ayanda when you said umona kuba kulento umuntu ayifisayo kuwe then but ngobe ngayitholi ngobe ngela access to you then it tends to hate.
Like for example now Silana we are shooting ukhona umuntu onezigaqa ezedlule zami but because akana access ukuthi angakhuluma angathola njani ukuthi azofika la.
Yeah.
The only thing azoyenza ukuzongi-attack under this video. So that nim recognize.
Where's things everything attention?
Eziningi zidinga attention. Mina futhi I'm good at giving people attention. Yeah, mina abantu ngiyabanikeza attention. Ngiyakunika lento oyifunayo. Ngihlezi mina lento oyifunayo ngiyakunika yona. Attention ngiyakunika yona nje simple vela ngincishane le attention.
Kodwa bagaya online.
Yeah, umuntu ngiyamnikeza attention le ufuna. Lokho uyakufuna ne? I give it to you. Yeah. Lokho uyafuna ukukwazi ne? Ithi ngitshele. Yeah.
Yo but some abanye abantu abakulandela amaphiqiphiqi
amamenemele sami hey
like umbona ukuthi umuntu lo liphiqiphiqi lo bebe busy ngale vele se busy ngapha ubatshele girl
and that batshele to me akasasebenze anymore. That's why ubona most things postela ama jokes kube ngathi ngiyagudla abantu but ubatshele kimi akasasebenze. Sengabona ukuthi uyabuqakezela ukwenza into wrong.
Yes. True.
Yeah, uyabuqakezela ukwenza into wrong ukuthiwa ubani is a cash talk ubani vele kadlala endleleni ubani lapho wena uyabubheda. Phela remember le social media noma ingasoziphele ne. Kuzofika ugeli sena 50 years.
Ugeli yena uzophela.
Ugeli uzophela social media isali khona. There will be time where ulolethu uzofuna ukuhamba escrolla kuleli page afuna ukubona ukuthi mama yakho bephila impilo enjani.
And the true.
Yeah, umntana mangeke abe right ngezinye zezinto esabe sizidela ukuthi siyazenza.
True. Our kids are going to go back.
Yeah.
Look for us.
Yeah.
They are either going to be inspired or embarrassed.
Yeah.
One of the two.
Yeah.
Manje abantu laba uthini kuwo ngifuna ubatshele namhlanje laba ku camera laba bayo bekutrendisa bekusukela what do you want to say?
They just have to know ukuthi I love them so much.
Bathanda benjalo.
Ngiyabathanda benjalo angidalanga umuntu mina.
Yeah.
If making me trend was going to feed you, go ahead and do it.
At least you are helping.
Yeah, ikhona ifamily elethukela because of me.
Phela bakhona abanye nawetnqabe ngogeyile engazanga post ukwenza kangani ukuthi abala content.
Mina ngiyake ngibone sokhanje oyelandwa isithombe sami sika 2012. Sesipostiwe maybe I was in a bikini. But ngiphinde ngizibuza ukuthi mina ngithanda Instagram kakhulu. Ngiyaposta ku Facebook mphume bese ngizophendula amakhopha ngithanda Instagram kakhulu. I love abo Mihlali Ndamase, I love abo Mini Dlamini. Ngiyabalandela lapha yana. Most of everyone who's trend ongitrollayo ngale ku Facebook. Ifeni ka Mini Dlamini othanda into ku Mini Dlamini. So what is the difference kanti?
Oh, so Mini Dlamini nxa ifaka ibikini ku right. Ugele ngayifaka
semkhulu. But it's a big hole. That's why bona wahlulwa into ethile nayikuyi nokuku.
Sebethatha behlanganisa
yonke. Sokukhona into amadots ukuthi maybe lokho lokho kokwamenza wahluleka. Cha mina ngihlulekanga. Mina ngihlulekanga. Ofuna ukuphila lempilo yokuthi ngahluleka ne. Keep it like that but mina ngihlulekanga.
What happened?
Mina I did what was best for me.
And you left when you felt like it.
Yes.
So you know your story.
Yes, I mean, I suppose I'm ngiyasona angihlulanga ayikho into engihlulayo. Yeah.
I-perspective yabantu.
And ba right baphile nayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So with all this hate being trolled, being made to trend and whatnot, is it worth it?
For me it's not. Because everyone who's making trending inesigaqa sakhe. Mina ngiyalandwa yazi umuntu abuye kimi abenjela ukuthi gay ubani wakwenza so awufuna isimenze kanje ngithi it's not worth it.
Okay, so you're the bigger person in this.
Vele mina ngaze ngasidupa ukuthi vele angifuni ukustupa to level yomunye umuntu. Ungambona sokuthiwa ngisidupe to level yomunye umuntu. Ubuye uzongikhuza ukuthi leso uyenza si wrong like emalangeni kunobhudo wangibody shame I ended up body shaming umfazi wakhe back one of the uncles engihlonipha ku social media was like Amshana this is bad, this is not you.
Yeah.
Sengifunda futhi nokuthi ama comments wabo wona la nokungathi bayangihlukumeza bangibody shame bangithuka I make money ngawo.
That's it.
Yeah. Angithi manje ngiyakwazi ukuthi if I can put that post bazobuya bagcwale babona uburong kimi bangabona uburong emuntwini ongiqalile ngoba vele the only person omela hlale wrong yimi ngithi.
When I do my coaching sessions sometimes with people that struggle with low self-esteem, I always tell them ukuthi you need to learn to laugh at yourself first. Bengathi like kumele ukuthi abantu bethi bekhuluma ngento abazama ukukutrolla ngayo wena usuke wazihleka ngayo. Mina like ngikhula ngambizwa ngo-short. At some point it does get to you nxa umntwana because akwabi strong. Then ekukhuleni ngakhula kwakuthiwa ngilekhanda elikhulu. So when I grew up I did meet some bullies especially online that would say ukhanda. They start calling me ngekhanda. Then I realized ukuthi if I don't address this in the best way possible they will continue. Then I'll post mina ngithi yo ikhanda lingaka nkosi yami. When they start saying ulekhanda elikhulu I laugh because I've already laughed.
So into ukuhleka ngayo because balakeni ngeke ngabahlekisa ukuthi I remember last year ngalezi izikhathi ngeke ngathatha i-ticket kwathiwa mina
so the post
that thing kwabanye abantu ngithi bajabulisa ukuthi embarrassile bakuhlambalazile and all that. Yes, forgive me. Now it's a joke because everyone knows that minute 200 running I afford. Also building up to the event ukuthi bazoyivusa but qala ukukutrolla but when you've already laughed at yourself. Now their aim is like ungasayi kuleyo event angilwanga nomnikazi we-event.
So that's the thing with people people thinking they can tell abantu what to do. Gail, because mina angikuthandi akumelanga ngithi uayanda ngihambi la.
I'm telling you
and the footer I shouldn't hate ukuthi uayanda ulawe ngoba she's her own person. One thing that I always tell people is that sometimes you see me advertising ama events of people that you've always seen them attacking me and then you ask yourself why is he doing that when abehlala bemthethisa. Let me tell you one thing. I do not give a fuck about what people do to me. I care so much about what I do to myself. Anything from outside of me should never affect me. The only thing that I'm careful about is what's in here and in here. I spend my time reading, writing, teaching, exercising ukuthi ingqondo yami ibe ngcono. And I can tell you since ngastop ukulandelela kakhulu so ngakubona ngathi usungathaka kakhulu because I love you I block you because I don't want to keep seeing you hating me or thinking that you're hating me and I continue with life. And at some point I called you, I said Hambo keep your video there. No, but because sometimes you don't address what you were saying but the best way is to let people do what they're doing. Angendawo. It's none of my business.
Anginandaba ukuthi ubani ungithithe njani wangenzani. Imagine I just have to say I'm not going to such a big event where everyone will be looking beautiful. Into eyenzeka kanye ngomnyaka. Into rare, into engatholakali nje ku community mina because kunomuntu osengitshela ukuthi don't go to that event because ngelanga elinje kwathiwa. And now
you know what's going to happen when you don't go. Uyabuhlele endlini. ukusubona abantu
Yeah.
so kufika into lena okhuluma ngayo isifisa I wish I was there but because you are not there what do you end up hating
yes so kumele manje mase kulabanye abazohleka amarogo abanye ukuthi abetshekile
so kumele ngihleka lawo
sebengithimhleka nami I will not do that I'm not going to do that
I think as people need to grow up especially nxa impela ususiba young adult it gets to a point where we need to grow up and focus on things that matter for ourselves. We're selfish. We're selfish. We're selfish also by not unana le ndaba zabantu kakhulu you know and let's not go around creating enemies.
Unnecessary
enemies. You can hate me but I will never be your enemy.
Mina vela nginasi. Mina nhlezi ngitshela abantu ngivela nginasi sithi.
Yeah, mina you hate me wena. Wedwa mina. I'll never be an enemy.
Mina nginasi sitha and each and everyone engamblockhayo. They just have to know this ukuthi wonke umuntu engamblockhayo kule ngimzondayo.
Mina ngiyabe ngublockela ukuku protect ukuthi ungabe umbona ngoba abanye you know ukuthi umuntu akhona out of sight, out of mind. Yebo sebengabe bemthathela ama screenshot abanye bemnikeza also this is how vile we are as people ugale ngimblockile ngaposta something suthatha wena susiyanika ugale boy
for ini
isikhathi bani futhi
why
kanti abantu abasebenzi
people that are not busy
so you have survived all these things after all these and social media trolling you have now grown this thick skin. What gives you peace currently? In those yabona manje mina ngisifocusela kuloko.
I focus on looking for money.
Yeah. Asifuna imali.
Mina ngifuna ukuzithola nginemali to an extent that anything that is going to give me money please ngicela niyilethe la.
Wena ngahle vele wena uthanda good life
when I love soft life and by the way I attract money money loves me
that I've seen about you
imali mayikhona ibona mina wena useyaxoxa every day what I'm gonna open my Instagram and show you ukuthi ngoba naba ku inbox yami ku Instagram but all in all mina I have a partner that loves me I have a guy that cares about me I have a guy that respects me. I'm in a peaceful relationship, though in a relationship perfect. And one thing about my partner, he's a graduate.
Okay, all right.
So we understand ukuthi ngumuntu engifunda okunengi kuye.
Reasoning capacity.
Yazi ukuthi the emotional intelligence, how that guy thinks.
Yeah, nah, I get you. You know why sigcina sizithola utrendiswa in. There was a circle of people that you are better than. So you're not learning. And because you're not learning, then you start trying to assimilate whatever information that you have down to them. And they hate that. Uyathola umuntu phela uthiwa upostile lapha ubonisa abantu ukuthi hayi kulento enje yenzakalayo yenzani so uzothiwa uzenza bani. If the post is not for you, dlula bakhona abafunda something.
Why ungadluli bra? Why ungadluli?
So now the relationship we are in is making you feel better, grow, and you learning.
And also my family. Thina sizintandane ekhaya. Asina mama sina baba akuna auntie akuna gogo akuna malume but my brothers and my sisters hazi ukubambana okuphakathi kwethu ne nginokubheka ezinye izintandane yazi uyathola kuyisiphithiphithi phansi la phezulu kuyaloywana kuyaccuswana kunomoya
abazali abasekho umunye la
vele umuntu ufuna ukwenza but you know thina kithi ekhaya mawungathola sihleli you feel loved.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
Uzithola at peace. Thina to an extent that even my partner will never call my sister athi mina ngenza into eso. Angathi emfonela usisi wamahla ngede ku call same time.
Afuna ukunyeka.
Vele ekhaya we protect each other to an extent that safundisa ukuthi noma ngibheda njani akusilima sindebende kwasi.
Yes. Uqala umthatha umuntu. Ufika umprotect then uzomchaya selingale phakathi
bazongikhuza sesingithi ukuthi lapha ubhedile and akuphindwa lokhana ungaphendi ukwenza usifaka ku position wrong.
Wow.
But my brothers they love me, my sisters they love me, and my kids are beautiful. Abantwana bami bafunda ezikolo bahlakaniphile, like I'm at peace.
Love that.
So
when all is said and done, especially the fact that we know you from social media, what legacy or what lessons do you wanna portray, or ukuthi abanye abantu nxa bekubona bekubhekele ungathi yini into abantu abayizuzayo noma abayifundayo?
That's a tricky question.
Yeah. But you always stand up for yourself. I think for me that's one thing that I can say. Indlela ozimela ngayo omela ngakhona indaba yakho, that's a strength.
Yeah, so ne strength nglaso.
Yeah.
Ukhona izinto engidlula kizo. Nginokubheka abanye abantu ababehleka ngihle ngithi lokhu la ngindlela ku-weak ngakhona izinto esendlule kizo bengeke usurvive.
Yeah.
Bengeke usurvive. Hayi mina strength nglaso and ungayenzi futhi into yokuzitshela ukuthi le izomphatha kabi. Of course ngiyaphatheka kabi njengawo umuntu because njengawo wonke umuntu, but ungazitshela ukuthi mina sengingalala nzima ukuthi wena ikhona into oyichileyo ngami.
Yeah.
Vela amazwi akho mina andihlukumeza ethi wena kuseni ngathi ngize ngizithole ukuthi angisafuni ukudla.
So people should actually learn ukuthi izinto lezi ezikhulunywa zingaku-affect. Ungazivumeli. Yes, they might affect you, but don't carry them. Yeah, because I will be carrying a head because when it comes to inzondo, mina ngiyazondela ezinye zezinto yazi ngize ngizibuza ukuthi sihambe esimona street sonke safaka sathenga irogo elifana nayo because lami lifike la ngibamba yile kumele kukhulunywe ngalo. But lo munye ugqoka irogo libonakala lilihle so libi imali kimi phinde ngizibuza ukuthi why me, but sometimes ngizijaya isifuba ngithi vele if bengekho bengelo umunye umuntu abangakhuluma ngaye. When I started in 2022, like getting known, there was that I made him challenge and ngalaliswa lani
mina kudala silala bakithi
Nala zakudana. And like konapa sometimes yabusule sufuna ukuyachasisa yabona ubuzibona akafani.
It's unnecessary.
Kafani because bakulalisa labantu abaningi and back then mengisithi abantu bebesithi bengahlangana lami because I was not known. So there were people that were failing to understand ukuthi I'm getting known. Very small numbers. I think I had 19,000 followers on Facebook. Sisenza nje into ze charity working with Asakhane and people were loving what we were doing before. It wasn't a content era now where we do content and abantu bakithi bangenze lokho. People meet me, take photos, post. I met him. So there was some will explain, and that's another thing that I've never seen people say. People will say I met him, and some of them will say why they appreciate. Wangincedela umntana kabani wami. Uyabona. Oh, kwatholakala ama school shoes for abantwana. And so they will say I met him, they appreciate. Sendele lapho.
Mina ikhona into engifuna abantu babeyazi ne. Ukuthi mina lokho engakwaziyo. There's no day waba le something ebonisa ukuthi ungiviwa njengomuntu ongifuna ukulala layo.
Doda. Continue.
And I think ilingu 2. Nguwe. Umapress.
Yes.
Mina ngazi umapressa ngo2021. Ngathi ngambiza Mdawini umama ngakosibanda. Waba ngumalume since from that day. That guy had never made a move ukuthi angibonisa ukuthi
always respected you.
Always respect me. Mshana nuku.
That's it.
That's it. Like I always been saying, my little sister, awukaze wayenza imove yokungibonisa ukuthi one day singavuka kuthiwa kunokulala phakathi kwethu noma ngasaba ngolomjolo. There is no such.
So it's a thing of when you grow in a space where there's no growth. People fear ukuthi sebesala. I think that's one of the things that I've noticed ukuthi right now today there can be 100 people taking photos because my numbers have grown and they've seen also my resilience and whatnot. They won't complain. So which at the time I used to explain if a big Zulu came here, took photos with people, one poster, no one would say anything. But it was, because it was this village boy, not known. Abantu abaningi background yami abayas. So uvelanga.
Who's this?
Kazanga ukakhuliswa ngayithi kazanga bekusettle yethu. Why is he growing? So sometimes it's people failing to understand and accept what this person is growing. And it did affect impilo zabantu abaningi. Eyami yes konkantu babengitrolla and whatnot, but I think there were relationships that were getting affected because a lady uyabelo umuntu wakhe, they bump into me, wow, but Joy, thank you, take photos. Nxa kukhulunywa sokuthatha izithombe zana sezithwendiswa, the partner starts thinking otherwise.
Because mina at that time I think ngangena muntu ne, but I would hear guys saying mina vela ngeke ngibe lo mfazi ongasho ukuthi isithombe lenye indoda ahamba ayobhala into enjalo.
Yes.
Ngihle ngithi that's the reason why ngena indoda phela mina.
Do you understand? Like people take photos and post, and yes, I would understand maybe izithombe zakhona mase compromising sezinjani. But if people meet a famous person, bazothatha izithombe bazoposta, and people should just understand it as that.
Yeah.
You know. Wow. I think people are going to have a lot of questions.
Yeah.
On whatever we spoke about. Sizohamba siyobona. Yeah, but thank you so much for coming. Now you've always shared the resilience and the strength that carried you in your journey. Ungathini emntwini lwana oyehluleka ukuphuma in that toxic environment, toxic relationship, the guys and the girls out there bayehluleka, unamajida phela amanye la afuna ukuphuma, but kunzima.
Yeah, ukuthi bazothini, that bazothini syndrome ya. Manje umuntu phela uphuma mayisefuna. Yeah. So kodwa ke especially abafazi ungafeli lapho. Futhi ungabe nendaba nokuthi thina sizathini vele kwasekuqaleni sasingekho. Futhi ukuhlala lapho ukuba uhleli lapho uhlukunyezwe kulimala wena thina silimali.
Thina siqhubeka ngempilo and waphuma sizokhuluma. Wahlala sizokhuluma kodwa ekugcineni kosuku bakhuluma kudlule. Akekho umuntu owakhuluma more than 2 weeks. Inhlezi ngisho ngithi noma ngathenda njani akula muntu owakwathenda more than 2 weeks. Futhi akekho wakwakhulunywa wafa.
Akula muntu owakwakhulunywa wafa. Abantu ba accuse ngezinto eziserious lapho uzopha ugogo wakho uzibani uyathakatha ukumbuleli ukuthi uyathakatha.
Nah. Baqhubeka bephila. So it's either uyaphuma lapho before Sean. Yeah, especially magule physical abuse, like you just have to get out of that relationship. Choose you. Hambe uqala phansi. Yeah, ungagcinisa ufana nami uthole ukuthi mina ngajoliswa indlala. Kodwa njalo.
Ngibona ama comments somewhere.
Kuthiwa joliswa indlala. Sometimes kuma post wakho ne I hate going into the comment section, right? But because it's not always the same, so sometimes I go in there because nami ngifuna ucomment.
Yeah.
Kule comment people kill abantu bafunani kill abantu kuwe.
Ngihlekisa phela base okunye ke bese ukeza ndihleke ukuthi base kuthiwa yajoliswa indlela ngeke isibusi ngalamba kuphi.
Okwacela lo muntu.
Edela lo muntu elithi kaJola naye ngoba ngangilambile wangenzelani eyabona ukuthi mfutha ngikhiphe endlaleni
bayibonga untshuma nje.
No balimele labantu. Now you really understand.
And also you know what happens when they don't have access to your inner circle. Angithi emalangeni kuthiwe mina ngigciniwe ngusibari hlale balcony.
Imagine.
Balcony.
What a beautiful space.
Ngigciniwe kona.
Imagine.
So babe okay, find out for us go to Gail wenza bedinge bengathola because Gail chooses what to share. There's a lot Gail is not sharing.
There's ziningi izinto abantu ababengazazi. Even today they're going to be shocked ukuthi how. And then
omunye recently sesixoxa kwesinye space ngakhuluma ngomsebenzi wathi uyasebenza. Yazi ngathi
yes
you know, people think abanye bathi mina ngiphila ngemali ze charity.
Oh no. But some kubuhlungu.
It gets to you because when I do charity, like manje ngizohamba ezim, there are things that I need to go and do, help young people. I've never asked for immediate transport. mangicela imali ngisithi ngezitina ihamba injalo
Yeah.
ithenge izitina
Yeah.
iphelele yenze khona lokho
Yeah.
ngize mfakele yami phezulu.
Yeah.
That's why it hurts when people create things.
Yeah.
At some point uGary wayenza life. So kwadlula saxolelana, we buried the hatchet. But wayenza live at City kwaze kwavela into lanti red-handed xhaka. Wathiwa but wayetsheliwe la ishame ubhuti wami. Wayetshelwe ngumuntu ukuthi
bathuza labo bababona ukuthi balezibindi zokukhuluma izinto.
Wathiwa uJoy sambamba at 20 my red-handed xhaka. Uyazi ukuthi into lana can damage your image.
Yeah. Yeah.
Khona yiphi leyo mali, because when I was working kwaSakhani I never collected imali mina. Imali zazingena ngabo from overseas or what not. If kwakuyimali ayithunyelwa kimi yabithunyelwa for a particular thing, sihambe seyenza nginomampala.
Yeah.
Sibuyele receipt, we take photos of the receipt and change.
Yeah.
Size sifake for transport and stuff. Sasizihambela. Sihambela pese yakhona, and when kuthiwa uJoy 20 mali red-handed xhaka, that's why I even made that t-shirt just to laugh it off so I can heal, because mina Gail ulento wanizokutshela wona people should know. Ungakhuluma into engiyenzileyo ayisho anlimali.
Yeah.
And deep down I know
what I did it. Yeah.
angilwi. Ungathi uJoy ulalelo bana ngilwi because also ngiyakwazi anti ngilalela live esijola or any it's my choice. Angilwi.
Yeah.
But ungathi ngenze into ngingayenzanga, it hurts me more because I like, why do you think such? Yes, zikhona ezinye that I ignore because ngibengisazi ukuthi they don't even affect my image. I'm working in the community assisting people where we crowdfund money.
Yeah.
We help abantu. What hurts me is that sokumele ngistope ukuthi siyakhe isikolo ewana.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngikhiphe that 200 of mine senze sabuyikhipha because ngingaparticipate kwethu asentshontshile. Those things they damage imisebenzi ye-community yama. Abantu when they think they're trolling us,
Yeah.
they're affecting kids back home.
Yeah.
Ngabheka recently I haven't done indaba yama school shoes lama uniform because sense saba like it weighs me down, it gets heavy.
Yeah.
Why at least you know ukuthi I've gone ngala lenyama endlovu emakhaya with my own money.
Yeah.
Travel to places with your own money.
Yeah.
Then you get trolled. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think people should know ukuthi as much as they feel like bias trendisa or whatever, babe khona abanye ukuthi it's fine, just let it be, we are cooler. People need to be careful bengalimazi abantu, eventually ulimazi isizwe.
Yeah, especially abafazi, they just have to know ukuthi the most women abahlezi bebamba ama live makuthiwa kulomuntu trender, they just have to know ukuthi indaba zabo zonke sinazo.
Yeah.
That's funny nabo. Mina ngeke ngize ngipress iphone yami ngipress live ngi-address indaba zomuzo omunye umuntu.
Ukhuluma ngomunye umuntu.
Mina I talk about me.
Yeah.
Ngizokhuluma mina ngento engiphathe kabi eqondane nami.
Yeah.
They just have to know ukuthi indaba zabo sinazo ne. But ukuthi zaziwe ngomhlaba so akuyona into emeli yenziwe yimi le. Yeah.
And they must pray such doesn't happen to them.
Yeah.
They must also pray such doesn't happen to their children.
Yeah.
Because it's not nice.
Akusoze kube mnandi.
It's not nice. Ngikho ngithi uyabona unganisukela ngento engiyenzile. I take the accountability.
Uyabona, talking about Mampala ne. That lady had carried me.
Yeah.
I know sloku donsana mina ke lo lindo siyalwa.
Which is but it's healthy.
Yeah.
It's healthy.
Yeah.
But angaze ngimbone press live lawa angaze ngubone press live.
Futhi can I tell you ukuthi if there is a woman that knows me.
Yeah.
Nguyena umuntu.
Yeah.
Futhi if unomuntu okuthoza ngidestroy ngivuma ukuthi la undestroy.
Yeah.
Nguyena umuntu ongidestroy. Ayikho into angayaziyo ngami.
Yeah.
Ayikho into angayaziyo ngami.
Yeah.
Bad or good.
Yeah.
But there is no day. Ake maybe wangicikisela wathi ususenza kanje.
Yeah.
Uyakhohle ukuthi kwakwabalela ngelisongathi.
Yeah.
I know somehow I do fail here.
Yep.
Ngizithole sengathi ngisesayidini labantu abamphatha kabi, of which I'm not proud of that.
Yeah.
And I'm very sorry.
Yeah.
But loyasisi uyangithwala.
Yeah. I know.
Mina ngumuntu othi mayengabona ngani semphakanyelwe ngumoya ahla donsi phone ethi yekela khona.
akhuza and you listen
and I listen
Yeah.
yekela khona ukuphuma khona
yeah
emalangeni ngeke ngagula
yeah
ukuthi sengazitshela nje ukuthi if abantu abangu3 bangawukazi ukuthi ngiyagula ngisesibhedlela it's fine
that's it
it's okay because kunabanye abantu that can help you uzitshela ukuthi umuntu uyakusiza but kusaswa uvuka kwaziwa ngomhlaba wonke ukuthi aphela ime ngamsizayo but mina abantu they just have to know ukuthi iFacebook noma ingantrolla njani mina yangilethela izihlobo
yakulethela ifamily
yangilethela ifamily engithandayo yanginethela abantu engikwazi ukuthi I can cry to them
yeah
ngimfonele ngimtshele Dre kuso yazi angikwazi ukuthi into leyo ngiyayisolve njani
Yeah.
and you give me an advice
yeah
ezongisebenzela mina
yeah
so
uqeda into yankhona ungayizwa kwenye indawo
ngike ngizwe mina ngizokuthiwa ubusuhambe wayixoka nobani wathi
yeah
so iFacebook no matter people they can abuse me insult me mina iFacebook yanginikeza izihlobo ezingithandayo ezingikwazi ukunginakekela of which of ngalokho nje
yeah
vele nje izandla zedlula ikhanda
and it has made you a brand I mean
Yeah.
I think you are a brand now
Yeah.
and to more growth and usazokhula
ngisazokhula futhi ngifuna bengibekezelele ngoba bona amaphutha ngisazowayenza
yeah
yeah
you're human mina vela I don't owe anyone a perfect life
yeah mina vele ngizangathembisa umuntu ukuthi uzaba perfect
abantu sebefuna ukuthi uzothonga bhaliso
ay
this is
mina
my
vele
life.
kuthiwa remember wena you know uyamelanga ufane naye hayi wangamelanga mina ngifane naye ngoba nami umuntu
nabona ngubhala uzothiwa ungachasisi
Hayi.
you can't now let me tell you one thing mina stop nxa senithethisa abantu sesenza into errong
yeah
into engiyenza ngizenzela mina vele don't stop me
yeah
nxa ngichasisa ngalelo langa uzona ukuthi ngebe ngihlale 1 year ngingazange ngikhulume lutho engizokuchasisa is for my own healing
yes
because ngingakugcina ngaphakathi I become bitter semfika kwenye indawo lapho ucomment ekhona ngoba siyalwa I didn't address the issue
Yeah.
sinhlala
semfuna ukuprove semfuna ukuprove point vele ukuthi ngisengicima ugudlwa nami vele ngisupport abantu abagudlayo
I've done that
Yeah.
done that yabo lo muntu wona ukuthi umphambanisile so but sengafesani so yeah uJamal Black yabona I felt like uyangizonda
Yeah.
yangithola
Yeah.
the things he would say and what not then I lost it by going around anyway la khona ongakhulunywa ngayo
Yeah.
because I was trying to reach out but I was
Yeah.
failing to
Yeah.
but you know what that brought peace
Yeah.
because uViji wathatha ifone wabefonela uJamal wamfonela wamfaka uViji phela mina uViji uyangikhuza ngithole sengichochobeke nxa isebona ukuthi sengirong
Yeah.
wathi come in here
yeah
sakhuluma and we squashed it right now I've got a brother uJamal who
What a good
I
guy.
understand where he was coming from he's just that guy he's too happy uthanda ukujoka and because uyabukwa lento lana ukuthi because umuntu akona wena umazi you feel like maybe this joke was too far
Yeah.
and at some point into ayipostile or into ayipostwe ngabanye abantu he was just like expanding what is already there
yeah
I learned something from that
yeah and yeah Jamal is a good guy mina unfortunately endlini kwathiwa ngimblock anti ngithi crash yami
so I learned ukuthi sometimes we misinterpret what other people are saying on the other side
Yeah.
which is why if ungabona umuntu engathi some you know usually when a person jokes engaku attack there's a difference
Yeah.
joke kakhulu ngawo they love you
yeah
that's what I misinterpreted with Jamal because he never attacked me he would joke or maybe ask questions
Yeah.
meaning this is a person who's following me because if he wasn't or if he didn't love me he was not going to bother
Never.
so then we had to
Never.
squash it
Yeah.
and I apologized for my part
yeah
I apologized from Goyaki part but we had to be adults
yeah
because imagine nxa sengihamba lapho sensiyayenza live ngithi Jamal
yeah understand ukuthi yini leyo
sibangaka
you know kukhona ezinye izinto omele sizitshela ukuthi noma ngaze kuthiwa silwe njani man
yeah
asikudlulise man kudlule lokho
yeah
asikudlulise
Yeah,
man kudlule
no,
lokho because akusoze kusisize ukuthi each and every time sihlezi sibukelwe ngabantu
Yeah.
sinikeza abantu umgosi wokuthi bebe lokho besithi buku bantu bayalo
yeah because at some point you lose yourself by
Yeah.
going around following abantu izinto ezingaqedakaliyo you know
nokunye Bujoy khona ukhana ukuthi lawo kunomsindo khona wena uyabukhona lawo kukhulunywa khona ngabantu yabulokhu khona
all the time
usunguphakela umthakathi wena uyabezondwa
susaziya vele ukuthi
wena toxic
so much that omunye umuntu nxa into yakhona engayitholanga kahle indaba uyafonela ugay
uyawazi ukuthi yimi engiyaziyo le ndaba
bathini manje mzala somele
I don't think into right like especially as a woman ukuthi kuhlale every time makunento wrong maybe ku social media kuthatha kulento so wena kube nguwe oyikhiphayo unless you are a blogger
that's it
abasana ukuthi you are getting paid for it because kukhona abanye abantu vele abamele babe controversial ukuthi like which is
ama blogger wabi personal gay they report on what's there not ababi personal ababi personal so
omunye umuntu uyamthole proud ngokuthi kuthiwa abantu abangu 50 bayangizonda
lamajita la uthole umjita nginje so mina ngesokuliwa ngayo kule live sengikhona phana phezkwakhe singapha
ngingumjita taking people that bahambe bayothi usejojozela impi
uthole sengithethe ngakho spread ngale ngingumjita I can't be seen doing that.
Mina there was a time where people were told not to talk to me. People were told to block me.
Oh yeah.
Block ningamkhulumisi, she must be miserable and all that, but I understand ukuthi vele zinjalo lezi zinto lezo but kwaya kwadlula. Mina ke ngumuntu oxolayo noma engaxoliswanga.
I know.
Mina ngiyaxola noma ungazange ngixolisa ukuthi mina ngiyabe ngikwenzela mina ukuthi kuyafana maybe vele ngumuntu ongasoze wavuka ezibonile ukuthi iphutha likuyi.
At some point I also had a problem with you because you have a like utshelwa kuthiwa ugirl is the one saying this or ugirl is the one doing this and then you believe at the time because then you're standing from a distance and I think I remember at some point I unfollowed you.
Yeah.
And but because I'm that person who's like no man you check like okay you're not seeing that thing that is being said and also you do speak to this person and you look at all these things you realize that you are inspired by gossip and at the moment you start allowing your life to be inspired by gossip it's shy.
You failed.
It's shy.
Because
people that spend time out there in gossip, they've got nothing to do.
Abakho busy.
They are not in your level.
Abakho busy at all.
You are wasting your time by addressing them. Because the only thing that is happening there is they wish to be you. They wish to be where you are.
Yes, I mean isifiso sami ngesokuthini from now onwards Bujoy. Ngingasaphindi futhi ngibe ngichazela abantu ukuthi ngelanga elisokwayenza ngingasaphindi futhi ngicasulwe ukuthi wena ucabangani ngami ngiyafisa ukukhula kukho konke khona lokho ukuthi kungabe lelanga lapha engizazithola khona ngicasula ukuthi wena ufila njani. Sometimes okunyeke kungiphatha kabi ukuthi ngiyabe ngisazi ukuthi I do like this person I do care about this person but indlela angitreata ngayo yazi yikho ke bekungiphatha kabi kakhulu ngiyafisa ukufunda angazi ukuthi ngingafunda njani but ngiyafisa ukufunda ukuthi ngibe kwazi ukuthi not everyone is like me.
Thank you. The problem that we have before we close is that because we are good to people you expect them to be good back to you. That's nonsense. People are going to be who they are. Abanye bazalwa emizini eloyayo. Abanye bazalwa ngabantu abazala abaqotho bakhulise kahle. Abanye vele umuntu nje okhulele egangeni. Like we've got different backgrounds that contribute to our behaviors these days. Must look as cooler. And then if not dealt with, if a person engahilanga, you love saying this, they go around hating other people. So mina, that's why I will never fight someone who fights me online because I know there might be some demon, there might be some past trauma. There's something bad that happened to them.
For sure.
So instead, I pray for you, Uti, if whatever that you are suffering from, may you heal so that you don't go around helping other people. That's what I look. That's how I look at trolls.
Yeah.
akunamuntu ophonga uvuke kuseni ethi uyothola abantu. There's a
khona something
trigger.
ikhona into emtriggerayo nje emke yamphatha kabe emenza nje azitshela ukuthi maye eshona egijimisana nami ethukana nami mhlambe indlela aphola ngayo angazi.
I think so.
Yeah.
Or maybe also indlela uyabezinwayizela, it makes them feel good.
Oh, okay.
Isilonda lesani
singapholi. Yeah.
So like unwayizela lokhana maybe makes a person feel good, because honestly speaking you can't change people.
Yeah.
But we've seen people growing and changing on their own. Bezkhethela. Thank you so much for coming. Siyabonga.
You're welcome.
La kusekhaya. If ever you feel like you want to come back and chill, sisixoxele. Come back.
Yeah, kuzomela some of the times sike sibuye with the different topics. I wish to learn politics.
Wow. That's
Ngifuna ukufunda politics. I don't know where to start.
That's beautiful.
But emalangeni ngeke ngaba ne-interest to politics to understand that I found myself researching everything about politics.
That's it. You have a curious mind, and people with curious mind go far because you're always looking for information. Because what happens with reading and researching, this information leads you to look for the next, so that it balances. So reading is like this. It's like 1, 2. So it mustn't go to so many, you go 3, kanjalo. Then you start reading in different ways. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and politics or just reading in general. It leads you to read more, because when you have this information, then you're like, then you see someone doing something like, I want to know that too. Then you'd read further. So let me tell you where to start. Start there where you are, wherever you are. Read. Follow like people, follow journalists that are writing out there, and follow your Hopewell, your policy movies. Follow your unabantu that write things that are meaningful. Your Michael Mdladla Ndiweni, Fraser Kuptampo.
Yes, I follow all of them.
Go to those posts, read, but also go to the comments. They always have people that share further information on that, and you grow because uzokhuluma something ebese ichiye endleleni. Then when you take that, you go online, you read further. And also when you read, don't agree with everything that you come across, because it's written by a Hopewell or a Mqolisi. It doesn't mean that it's correct. Sometimes it might be another view. You find another view. There's a book that you found here is there that says The Leader in You. I was given that book by a brother of mine, Mbonisi Sibanda. Thank you so much, Mbonisi. And that book, I read it, because as we evolve, the book still has information even that we are still yet to use in future. But
Wow.
So reading does that. It opens your mind as well. It's like when you go to the gym, we'll see the muscles. So reading now exercises your brain. Even the conversations. Awusathi okusalayo.
Awusathi vele.
So uqalisa la ukuthi no uyazi ubani wathi, and you start referencing. No, thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu. Mbukelo muhle, siyabonga. Sayithethe indawo.
Afuni podcast yabantu